Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your trunk latch, which is this right here, on a Hyundai Sonata. And also it's the same thing for the Kia Optima. You come to your car, try to close it, it's not closing, it's always opening. Alright, so let's get to that. So there's going to be a video about that. Alright, so you're going to need to take out these clips that goes around here. They have one right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's like 9 of them. And in here there are 2 Phillips screw, or I think 8mm also. So let's get to it. To do this part, you're gonna need to take a flathead screwdriver to take the clip off. Push it in there, twist it, and then bring it out like this. Alright. So right here, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver to go on between here. There's a gap right there, as you can see. Go in there, twist it up, and then that gives you access to those Phillips screw right there. Alright, are 8mm. So now you want to unplug this right here. Squeeze right here and pull down on it. Alright. So you're gonna have 2 10mm that hold the this right here. And also right here, you need to pull this towards you and bring it to the groove and down and out. Alright. Alright, so this is the new part right here. That's the part number. Alright. Come with everything. Come with this also. Alright, so you need to get your clip puller or flathead screwdriver, what you've been using, get in it like that. Get that out. That's loose. The only thing left to do now is to take this off right here. 10mm also. One 10mm right here. Another one on right here. Alright, so this is what happened. As you can see, it goes in right here, but it doesn't stay locked, it come back out. So I guess it's poor quality or bad design. That's why I messed up. This is the new one right here. It should lock like that. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna install this right now. So I decided to show you how to put it back close up. So you want to get it like that. Focus back into the groove. Bring it down here. You can go ahead and plug this back up right here. And tighten this down, alright? 10 millimeters. When you put back everything together, you want to test it to make sure it works. Alright, so that worked. Now it's time to put on back your cover. So you want to make sure you put back this part under here. Alright. And so this is where we at. Time to get your Phillips screw. Push it when you hear it clipping, you're all set. Test it one more time. That's it. Thank you guys for your love and support. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.